Hi viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I shall be showing you how you can achieve your homemade face mask. So to start with, I'm going to measure the length for this fabric. I have 12 inches for the length. The width, I have here 8 inches for the width. Now, the next thing is for me to fold it into 2 equal parts this way. And I will also refold it again. This way. Now I'm going to fold it this way. Into 2 equal parts again. Now I will start by marking it out. At the base here, I'm going to mark out 1.5 inches. Now, as you can see, what I have here is 4 inches. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce these 4 inches by 1 from here by 1. So I reduce by 1 inch. Now I'm going to connect this point to this point here. Now, having connected, I'm going to make a curve here, starting from this point to this point here. So I'm going to cut it out. This is a very easy way of getting your face mask. Now I'm going to open it up. So here I have 4 pieces here. The next thing for me now is to seal these 2 pieces right from this edge, this point here, all the way like that. So let's go. Now I'm going to start by seeing this edge from this place down to this place first. Now after this, I'm going to open it up this way, and I will pick my elastic. This elastic is, let me measure, is 16 inches, and I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. So that's why I'm having 8 inches. So I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. I'm going to attach it this way, and I will seal. I will do likewise to the other side here. So I'm going to pick the second one, the second half, and I will do exactly what I did here. So I'm going to do exactly what I did there. Place it here. So coming to the next 2 pieces, which is this, I will also join from this point down to this point. Now the next thing for me, haven't opened it, I'm going to lay it on each other, making sure that this elastic is inward. I'm going to lay it on each other, the right side inward, and I'm going to seal. I will seal this place to this place, to this place, to this place, but I won't close it up here. I will leave some space, so that by the time I want to turn it out, it will be easy for me. So let's go. Now we also seal this place round. Like I said the other time, I say I'm going to leave some space here so that to be easy for me to turn it out before I will finally close it up. Now we have almost come to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, so easy to make. So I'm going to bring it out. So as you can see, now the next thing for me is to close this place up. So I will fold it in this way and I will stitch it up. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and you can equally share and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.